It is important to clarify that not all mechanics engage in dishonest practices, and the vast majority are reputable professionals who provide valuable services. However, like in any profession, there may be a small minority who engage in unethical behavior. Here are a few ways that dishonest mechanics could potentially take advantage of unsuspecting customers. One common strategy is overcharging. Dishonest mechanics may manipulate prices, inflating the cost of parts, labor, or services. They may exploit customers' lack of knowledge or urgency in the situation to justify exorbitant fees. Furthermore, they may even charge for repairs or services that were never performed, deliberately deceiving customers and profiting from their ignorance. Another unethical practice is recommending unnecessary repairs or replacements. Dishonest mechanics may prey on customers' concern by falsely claiming that certain components are worn out or damaged when they are perfectly fine. By instilling fear or doubt, they convince customers to authorize costly repairs that offer no real benefit. This results in unnecessary expenses and a sense of betrayal. Parts substitution is yet another deceitful tactic employed by dishonest mechanics. They may covertly replace new parts with used or substandard alternatives without the customer's knowledge or consent. This allows them to charge for higher priced components while cutting costs by using cheaper alternatives. Such actions compromise the quality and reliability of the repairs, leaving customers with compromised vehicles and a diminished sense of trust. Fake repairs are an egregious form of deception. Dishonest mechanics may claim to have fixed an issue, when in reality they either performed no repair at all or conducted substandard work. This deceptive practice ensures that the problem persists or resurfaces, forcing customers to return repeatedly for additional repairs and incurring unnecessary expenses along the way. This cycle perpetuates their fraudulent scheme and preys on customers' dependency. Misdiagnosis is yet another manipulation tactic employed by dishonest mechanics. By intentionally misidentifying the root cause of a problem, they mislead customers into authorizing unnecessary repairs or replacements. This leads to wasted time, money, and frustration as the original issue remains unresolved, while new problems may arise due to the improper treatment. Customers are left feeling exploited and deceived. It is essential to note that these unethical practices are not representative of the majority of mechanics, who are dedicated professionals committed to providing quality service. By staying vigilant and informed, customers can navigate the automotive industry with confidence and avoid falling victim to dishonest practices.